welcome back to another vlogmas video. Today is Thursday, so I'm having a productive day in the life today, productive college day in the life. Gonna do a workout, and yeah, so I'm just bringing you guys along my day. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and stick around so you don't miss out on any of my vlogmas videos. They will all be in a playlist titled Vlogmas 2021, and yeah, let's get into the vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, I am now in my psych class. This is our last Zoom class. We're doing a review for our exam next Monday. So doing that now, and I'm going to take notes on my notes thing like I did last time for the exam. And yeah, so I gotta really pay attention and type fast because he gives hints. Also went to the gym, as you guys saw, and what else? I also had to drive my mom somewhere, so I'm back home now from everything and gonna do this class. I have some things that I need to submit, like an exam, and so I'll talk to you guys all about that and show you after class. Okay guys, I'm done with class. I wanted to eat lunch after we had the review. I took my notes. I need to also obviously study, so I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to make new post-its. That's been like my new favorite thing when I need to like remember stuff like for this week and also just for next week. I just like to do that since I'm almost done. I feel like that's like my extra reminder because I obviously don't want to forget any little thing at all. So my last exam is Monday. I'm feeling better after this lecture, like the whole review, and so I got like good notes, but I need to study more like the tables because there's PowerPoints that he has where the tables he said to like make sure we really know, so I need to go back and do that. I'm also going to be finishing up editing. I did some YouTube work this morning and stuff because obviously it's Vlogmas, so I have a video that's going up tomorrow, and then it's the weekend, so I need to finish that video. I'm almost done with it, and I also work tonight, but we'll get more work done as well when I get home. What else did I need to do? I need to submit my safety and first aid final, so I'm gonna also do that now. But let me make my little sticky notes because this one is all like some stuff that I finished, and I like it to be very organized, so field placement, she actually changed the deadline, so she made now 2 assignments under the assignments tab for our last journal entry, which is due the 12th, but since I finished the 8th, I'll get it done by the 8th. And then what the heck and then my evaluation form is actually also due the 12th, but I finished 8th, so I'm going to submit both of those on the 8th. To submit my safety first aid and prevention final that is due tomorrow. It was a 3 to 5 page paper, so mine is all done, like a little bit over the 3 full page mark, so I just need to download it as a Word document, upload. To do some studying for my psych exam. I need to do very well on this exam if I want to get an A in the class, which is always my goal. I'm always striving to do my best, be my best. Also, I need to fix my galaxy, and so I'm really trying to do really well on this exam. So I'm going to do some studying, and I'm also going to be doing some browsing because I need to start my Christmas shopping. I'm a little bit behind this year on my Christmas shopping, and I definitely want to get that done. Can you guys just see how chaotic and like busy it is juggling everything that I'm juggling? Like, I still am in classes, trying to finish up finals. I still have finals that are coming. Like, I haven't started some of them yet, and I still work. I work like 3 times a week. Now I'm working till late pretty much, so it's a lot. Plus, obviously, I love YouTube. I love doing what I do, and I like being busy, but I'm just like, sometimes I'm like, how the hell have I managed, and like, how am I doing this? Like, how? Like, 6 classes, all the homework and all the assignments that come with it, plus work, plus my internship, creating content, trying to have a social life. Like, balancing what I'm balancing this semester has been crazy. And you would think senior year, like, woohoo, like, you know, chill. Like, this semester has been one of the busiest semesters of my 4 years of college, and it's really like, it's wild. So I'm gonna do some studying in bed, and it's already 10:32 for time reference. Then tomorrow starts my weekend pretty much, so I kind of had a headache, but I'm gonna do some studying. I'm gonna look over the charts specifically, and yeah, it's 30 questions. Technically, it's like I can like look at my notes and stuff, but I hate putting that on myself to like not study and then just rely on that, because I'm telling you, the time goes so fast. We only have an hour, like an hour and 15 minutes, and it goes by so fast, and some of the questions are tricky. So I'm gonna study my little butt off, because it's on Monday and tomorrow is Friday, and like I have a busy day tomorrow and stuff, so I still want to take time to have the weekend to myself, film videos, and also like hang out and have a social life and have like a family life and have a life. So let's study. to go to sleep. I need to just lower the brightness on my Galaxy, and tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow I actually need to go to TJ Maxx to return my mug. So my Christmas mug that I got, I didn't even notice until like 2 days ago that it was broken. I hadn't like used it yet, like when I was decorating my room and all that stuff, and I was looking at it and showing my vlog. I noticed that it was cracked, so I'm gonna exchange it at TJ Maxx. So that's why I've been using my other Christmas mug. So I'm gonna be, you know, switching between the two or whatever, but I need to actually go and return that tomorrow. I also have a couple of errands I need to run tomorrow, so maybe I will vlog tomorrow and my weekend, but I'm not sure what I'm doing. Oh, maybe I'll vlog the weekend, we'll see. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching another vlogmas video, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and stick around, and make sure you give the video a thumbs up and comment. That's just truly so helpful and important, especially now during vlogmas, because so many people are doing vlogmas. I'm sure you have tons and tons of videos you're watching, but I would really appreciate if you could leave a like and a comment to help me grow. Love you guys.